Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can divide your VS Code panel into various segments. So customizing your VS Code Studio is one of the best way to easily interact while coding. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, as you can see, this is the current home page for my VS Code. However, I can divide this into twos or even threes, and we have an option to do that when you toggle on this panel here. So if I click on toggle here, you can see the panel has been divided into two. I have now this and the upper one, and our time node is here. I can further toggle this to add a secondary sidebar, and if I click on this, now you can see we have a secondary sidebar where I can do my charts while at the same time continue with coding here. So that's how you can segment your home panel in VS Code. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.